What are dwarf planets? In 2006, astronomers decided that Pluto would no longer be considered a planet. It became the first member of a new group of solar system bodies called dwarf planets. Like planets, a dwarf planet is a celestial body that orbits the sun and is round because of its own gravity. However, a dwarf planet does not have the mass to have cleared other bodies out of its orbit around the sun. 5 dwarf planets made of ice and rock have been identified. Ceres, located between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter, is about 950 kilometers in diameter and travels at around 18 kilometers a second. Pluto, Eris, Haumea, and Makemake are located beyond the orbit of Neptune. They range in size from about 1,500 kilometers, Haumea, to about 2,400 kilometers, Eris. Their orbital periods around the sun range from 250 to 560 years. All travel at a speed of between 3 kilometers a second and 5 kilometers a second.